If you are not a designer or you cannot write a good prompt, so we are introducing a tool with you where you can generate thumbnails, stories, posts and book covers in few clicks. Don't need to think a color combination or your design prompt, anything. It's just in few clicks. Let me show you how this tool works. First of all, we have to sign up and start with free. A new user will get 3 free credits. Right now we have 1 credits. We already consume 2 credits by generating 2 thumbnails. Let me show you how you can create a thumbnail. Here is, you will write the title of your thumbnail. Okay, then you have to select a niche. Here we have many categories, cover all of them. If you are podcasting, news, vlogs, documentary, fashion, health, travel, food, music, tutorials, anything you will get here. So for this I will use developer tools. Okay, and for the template, a creator reaction, clean, editorial and dark premium. So we will choose keep it professional. Okay, and here is the layout. So we need a versus, so warning, tools versus tools. Okay, here we can select a tool versus tool, and even the all other layouts you can face with 2 products, 3 products with glowing and code screen hero, warning, comparison, a lot of things here. Another better option, if you want to upload your own image. For right now I will upload the logo of the thumbnail forge. Here we uploaded the logo of thumbnail forge for the comparison with Canva, and here we can choose the color palette of our thumbnail. So for this I will choose this red canyon tech, and here is the output size. You want a thumbnail or open graph, a secure post for your social media, or a story and short. If you have any extra explanations, so you can write here. Let me write something here to generate a good thumbnail. So we write a small explanation like a red cross mark on the Canva and the green mark on the thumbnail forge, and a small text, best AI tool for thumbnails. Now we will click here on the generate image. So it's just take a few seconds, like a 10 to 20 seconds. So we can wait for it, and also you can upgrade your plan, like a $5, $9 and the $19. For $5 you will get 25 credits per month. So 1 credit equal to 1 image generation. So every time you generate a thumbnail, so 1 credit will be less. Also, the main important thing, we are accepting only crypto. There is a worldwide accept, and it's immediately credit in your balance after the confirmation of your transaction. So our image is created thumbnail. So you can see a Canva have red cross and Canva versus thumbnail forge. Here is our logo that we uploaded here, and a green check mark. So we can download it here, and a small text, best AI tool for YouTube thumbnails. It's save on our PC and with high resolution 1.2 MB of image size. And we can also see here our 3 thumbnails, and we can download it anytime we want. Now we have 0 credits, we consume all of 3 credits. So let me show you the plan here. Starter, creator, and agency. Here is the Ethereum network, BNB and Solana. We also accept USDT and USDC. You have to select the currency and generate a payment address. Then you have to send the exact amount of the package, and submit the proof of your transaction or transaction hash or link. So your transaction will be immediately confirmed and you will get credits. Thanks.